Hey everyone, welcome back to App Tech Knowledge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video in your HTML project. So it's a very simple process. First, you have to choose which video you wanted to add into your website. So if I just type here if I just take this cartoon and if I just click on share and go for embed and copy everything, close everything and go for Visual Studio Code and come over into the body section and paste everything. If I just save, and now if I just go for the live server, as you can see here is the video is directly showing into my HTML project. You can simply open it from here, as you can see right now. So if you want to change the height and width, you can also do it in a very simple way. If I just make it into side by side, and from here, if I just create a div, and if I just cut everything over here and paste it into the div tag, into the div, if I just add a class container, if I just save everything. From here, you can also change the height and width. So if I just type here, the height should be 100% and the width should be 100%. If I just save everything, as you can see right now, it's looking like this. So if I just come over into the head section, if I type here style, into the style, if I just add dot container and give the curly brackets, into the curly brackets, if I add the width, and the width should be 400 pixel, just save. As you can see right now, it's changing, and the height should be 225 pixel. And that's it. If I just save everything. So as you can see, I made a mistake into the spelling. So for that, if I just container, and now if I save everything, and right now the height and width is changed into our HTML project. So yeah, this is how we can simply add a YouTube video into your HTML project in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.